guys, do you recognize me? It's Mukil. Today we are gonna do another experiment. It's called making your drawing alive. As usual, welcome to my experiment lab. To do this experiment, we need a dry erase marker and a complete dry plate and some water. First, let me draw a spider and a man. Draw a man and spider using the dry erase marker in the plate. Let's pour the water slowly into the plate. Be careful. They started floating. Hey, oh, look, the spider's legs are gone and it's broken, but the man is strong and floating still in the water. Now let's move the man and this one leg broken spider. Cool, huh? They both are floating, but the man didn't go apart, but the spider split. Now study part, let's understand what happened. The dry erase marker is not dissolvable and it is lighter than the water. That is why the marker drawings are floating. Cool, huh? Thanks for watching. Please support and subscribe my channel for more science videos.